Imagine waking up one day, checking your phone, and realizing you've been replaced. Not fired, replaced. By an AI that works 24/7, never complains, and costs your boss next to nothing. Sounds dramatic? Well, it's happening faster than you think. The rise of AI isn't some distant sci-fi plot, it's rewriting the rules of business right now. And if you're not paying attention, you're playing the wrong game. So how do you win in a world where AI is the ultimate business titan? Let's break it down. And don't worry, I'm not here to sell you a make millions with AI in 30 days course. But if I were, I'd probably use AI to sell it to you. Here's a wild stat. AI is projected to add over $15 trillion to the global economy by 2030. That's more than the GDP of China. The question is, are you going to be part of that boom or left behind? Companies like Amazon, Tesla, and Google are already automating at an insane pace. But it's not just big tech. AI is disrupting everything from real estate to finance, even creative jobs. And here's the part no one's talking about. The biggest AI opportunities are not where you think they are. Think AI is just about robots and chatbots? Nope. Some of the highest growth AI businesses today are in unexpected places. AI-powered personal finance tools that make investing stupidly easy. AI-driven content creators making six figures without showing their face. Automated AI coaches that replace therapists, personal trainers, even dating consultants. Be honest. If AI could 10x your dating game, would you use it? Yeah. Me too. But here's the real takeaway. The people who understand AI early aren't just surviving this shift, they're thriving. The worst thing you can do? Ignore this change. AI nem csak úgy milliárdost teremt, trzeba regiket. So what should you do today? Learn how to use AI tools now before they become mainstream. Invest in AI-driven businesses or build your own. Stop trading time for money. Leverage automation instead. And here's the most important thing. The real AI gold rush isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter, and most people are missing it completely. Right now, you have a choice. You can sit back and watch AI change the world, or you can use AI to change your world. The difference between those who struggle and those who thrive. One simple thing. Taking action before everyone else does. So here's what to do next. Subscribe for weekly AI business strategies and drop a comment below. What's the biggest AI opportunity you see right now? Because in this new world, knowledge isn't just power.